Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Indian Institute of Industrial and Professional Studies. In this video, I'll be giving a quick demo or walking you through the procedure of creating your profile in the website of Indian Institute of Industrial and Professional Studies. The first and foremost thing is you'll have to visit our website, that is www.iapsindia.net. This is our official website, and as of now, apart from this domain, we do not have any domain of ours. So now when you enter into the website, this is somehow the homepage looks like. You will get the details of all the certifications that we have, that is the ISO certifications we have, and also you can find link to all our social media sites, both in footer as well as in the header. And also you can connect to us via WhatsApp by clicking this button. We'll be replying you as soon as possible and helping you with all the assistance that you require. Followed by this, in the footer, you can find our privacy policy and also our admission policy. Now, let me take you through the website. So, the first thing you will find is the courses. Here, you have all the list of courses that we provide. And here, to facilitate, we do have a filter wherein you can use the filter free course, certificate course, advanced certificate course, and live workshop. So if you are looking for some free courses, click on the filter free course and all the free courses will be populated here. And apart from this, we have even certificate course. Certificate courses will be here. Live workshops will be here. Moving next, apart from courses, we also conduct regular events. So now this is how the events page look like. Here you'll have to select the event that you would like to attend. And if it is any past event, then you can find it here that this is past event. You can understand that yes, this event has already commenced. And if you would like to see the recorded session, or if you still would like to know about the topic that we discussed in one of our previous events, you can click here and you can access the recorded session. And also you can find the recordings of the session in this particular YouTube channel. And also how to register in the event, I'll be showing you in the another video. And next we have blogs here. So in the blog section, you can find the blogs written by various students, working professionals. Like you can see here, advertisement on social media, legal guidelines for brands and influencers, and also how to choose the best legal structure for your business, and so many others written by our student. And also you can find some of the news which is about the current affairs and all other. And after this is all about the blog page. And in the contact page, you can find the details of our address, email ID, phone number, and also you can get in touch with us. You can raise your query here. For the quicker result, I would request you to reach out to us via WhatsApp and we would be responding to you at a reasonable early hours. So this is all about the options that we have in the website. And now if you're seeing it in the mobile and if you feel that alignment is not correct, please do enable the desktop version. So you will find the option there as appearing in the screenshot that I have put in the video. And apart from this, if you have any queries or any concerns in navigating the website, please do let us know via WhatsApp or email. We would be helping you very happily. Now, directly jumping into the content, the main content of this video, let me navigate you how to register here. So in the header, you can find two options, login and register. So click on this option, register. And it will ask you if you have already registered, please do log in. But if you are not registered, please do fill up these options. Enter with your name, phone number, email ID, password, age, gender, profession, highest qualification, city, and then please enable this particular checkbox. So once you do this, you will be able to submit the registration form. So once it is all done, then your profile will be created. So if there is any error or if any message pops out, please do address this. Like now, when I click this one submit, it is asking me to please fill out this field. So filling out all these fields are extremely important. And also, you can see that we have not put up any specific drop downs because I know we are having students from various, or learners more precisely, from various backgrounds. So we would like to give that option of filling up the profession, highest qualification, as well as the gender of your choice. So this is all how you create your profile in Indian Institute of Industrial and Professional Studies website. So yes, if you face any kind of technical issue or if you're getting any error message, please to reach out to us via WhatsApp at 9901556504, and we are very happy to help you with all your concerns. Now, in the next video, I'll be teaching you, or I'll be navigating you how do you log into the profile and how your profile looks like.